Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today with a couple of little shares. So today in the mail, I got an envelope from Penny's Crafty Creations, and she is here on YouTube and I believe on Instagram as well. And I did participate recently in her birthday challenge, and lo and behold, my challenge entry got lost for like, I don't know, maybe 7-8 weeks. But it finally showed up at her house, and she did post a reveal, and that was really nice to know it finally made it to her. But as always, Penny has drawn some beautiful mushroom art on the envelope there because she is really, really good about that. And she also always writes, "Thank you, postal workers." So let's see what Penny sent to me. Oh, it's a thank you card. Oh gosh, I'm glad my entry finally made it to her. So she says, "Enis, thank you so much for your gorgeous entry for my 5-year anniversary challenge. I love the collection. It's so beautiful. Gorgeous work. Thank you for all you do. Hearts, Penny at Penny's Crafty Creations." So thank you, Penny. I was really, really excited to participate in your challenge, and I'm very happy it finally made it to you. I hope you can use the items I sent you. But then she included some cute little stamped images, and look at this one. It says friends with the little mice there. Oh, are all of them the same? Oh no, here's some different ones. How cute are those? So sweet. You know, those would be great for me to practice my alcohol marker coloring, or even to use on fronts of cards, or use as part of ACTs or even Twinchies because they're small enough. So thank you, Penny. I really appreciate your thank you note, and congratulations on your 5-year anniversary. I think I said birthday at the beginning of the video, but it was your 5-year anniversary. Many, many more years of success to you. So the next thing I want to share is for hashtag Dazzling with Diamond Painting 26, and that is an open collaboration hosted by Alma Ticer here on YouTube. And it was formerly hosted by Maniac Grammy's Homestead, but Alma has taken it over for her. So you guys, if you've been following my channel, you know that I have been doing some unboxings for FEELOOK art, and they did send me this one. I think it was the end of May or beginning of June. And this is the biggest diamond painting I've ever done, and I gotta tell you, it was a labor of love, but it is finally finished. It took me about, let's see, we're in second or third week of July, so I think it's taken me about 7 weeks, 6-7 weeks to complete. But of course, I don't work on it all the time. I just work on it in the evenings a little bit when I am watching TV or the house is quiet and I need a break from doing some other things. So anyway, I am ready to do my big reveal, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to squinch the camera down. Probably going to see some things on my work desk here because I have been in the process of doing some design team projects for the Happy Crafter Shop, as well as projects for my hashtag No Buy in July, and a couple other things. So my desk is a little messy, but let me squish the camera down and give you a peek at this absolutely stunning, and I do mean stunning, diamond painting. Hold on just a second. Okay, now we're not going to be able to see the whole thing all at once, but I am going to do the best I can to show this to you. Look at the absolutely stunning colors. Look at this gorgeous fantasy lady. I mean, oh my gosh, the beautiful headdress she has on, and it's got this really cool astrological background on it, but look at how beautiful this is. Just stunning, and it keeps going. I mean, this diamond painting is huge. I can't fit it all in the camera. I am going to insert, after this little bit of this video here, a short video of me filming it while I had it laying on the floor in my kitchen. So that way I could get up high enough to be able to film down on it so you can see the whole thing all at once. But yes, look at how gorgeous this is. And I was going to gift this to my sister Lisa, but she told me she doesn't have any room on her walls to hang it, but my daughter-in-law wants it. So guess who's going to be getting this? Absolutely gorgeous. So anyway, thank you everyone for watching. And I know that my channel is a paper crafting channel, But a lot of us who craft do actually do crafts in other styles and other mediums and whatnot. And so, yeah, Diana from Diana Loves Colors turned me on to diamond painting, and I'm so glad she did, because I really enjoy doing it, and this result is just way out there for me. So anyway, thanks for watching, and if you want to just hang on and watch the rest of this video, I'm not going to be talking, but you're going to see an overview of the entire diamond painting as it's on my floor. And excuse the kitchen floor, okay? So hold on, I will be right back. Thanks for watching, happy crafting, and I'll catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.